I love her so much. She deserves everything. What's up, everyone? I'm Andrew.
I'm Emily. I'm Mario.
And today we'll be reacting to my queen, Jessica.
I thought I had
Need some Jessica in here. Okay. Summer Storm. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. The teasers were on point. 10-year anniversary. She's late to the party. I would be too.
That's me.
I'd oversleep.
No, you're early to everything.
Yeah, good point. I'm always early. Ooh. Yes, I missed her so much.
That's kind of cute. That actually sounds
Yeah. That's so pretty. She's so pretty.
She is.
Aww. Her voice is honestly so unique. I love Polaroids. The hat though.
My fan of her.
This is so cute. I love her so much. She deserves everything. Oh, that's a globe from Flying Wonderland. They're the songs.
Oh.
It's snowing inside. Oh my god, it must be hot in that studio. I don't know why, for some reason, I thought that was SNSD. I thought that was Girl' Generation.
I thought that was funny.
And I know, I thought that was Yuri, and I was about to cry. This is sad.
It is.
Okay, so it's either she's late to the party, or everyone already left the party.
And she's like having those reminiscing thoughts.
Or the next day when she didn't clean yet, because I know she wouldn't.
She's so cute. That was sad.
That song, I feel like you can listen to that song any season.
Yeah.
Like you
and
can listen to
still
in
be sad.
summer. Like you can listen to this
No,
in summer.
no, like,
you can listen
it's-
to in winter.
Like, cause some days you just want to feel sad. I'm confused. Is it supposed to be a sad song or is it supposed to be happy? Like, or like some kind of like happiness. Cause I kind of felt both. Like,
Yeah.
I kind of like sentimental
both.
happy, like oh, and also like sad, like oh. I felt sad.
Oh my god, I love her so much. She deserves everything. So yeah, that's either she like, cause you know when you leave something fun, like a party or
It's like,
something,
man, that was fun.
and you feel like, and then you just feel like
empty.
you wish that party was a little longer,
Yeah. Yeah.
and you feel empty inside,
Yeah.
right?
Especially when you get there late.
To a store in Manhattan, and everything's pretty in there. It's so white and like minimalistic. But everything's so expensive. I was like, I don't know. I don't know money for 250 glasses. And she's always in New York. I follow her on Instagram and I see like her stories and stuff. She's like, the thing is, she's either there like after I was there or like I'm at home.
Oh.
It's like when she would like Yeah, around. She was one time in Washington Square Park, which is like a minute from my school.
Yeah. Wow.
I was just there. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh.
Oh god. And she was like in Central Park, and I was like, I just want to see her. I don't want to chase after her, but like, I just want to meet her.
Admire her from afar.
Yeah, just like, you know. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. She's a goddess. Hopefully there'll be an English version. She always does that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's
Her English songs are so good. So that was a reaction to Jessica Summer Storm. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Bye.